Okay, busy. Gonna walk to the garage with this exhaust. I'm gonna pop it on and see how that sounds compared to the current aftermarket exhaust that's on there. And we'll see if I keep it on or not, because that aftermarket one, it's annoying, but it's definitely growing on me, so see you in the garage. All right. So here's what we're working with. So Werkes, USA. Looks like I just gotta undo that bolt right there, and I think it should be a pretty easy slip on. Yeah, and then we'll check it out, see how that sounds. Going to assume it's metric. Let's see. Interesting. It's not metric. Wow. Well, I guess it's USA. Let's see. Grab these boys. Go. Is it this? Nope. Oh, okay, that's what it is. 7/16, nice. All right, let's see how this goes. That was it. To a different angle. So, definitely loosening it. There's the gap, so it's happening. It's so on there. Ay, ay, ay. Any second now. Oh, it's so close. Come on. Let's go. We got it. This is very nice. Whatever this brand is, I don't know. Is this a good brand? I don't know. Seems like it's made pretty well. The welds are very nice. Beautiful. Anyway, I'm gonna clean that off now. Put this to the side. I'm so out of breath. Let's try this. Some parts cleaner and a brass brush. Don't want to open a new stainless brush. Oh, perfect. These are exactly what I need. Brillo pad thingy. I'm gonna squirt it with some WD-40. Just gonna rub this around. That's filthy. Spray that, let it kind of. Oh yeah. Okay, cool. Nice. Okay, so I have the new muffler mocked up. This is going to be a pretty simple install, which is what I was hoping for. It's just got some Allen keys to tighten up there, and then it's got this hanger that's going to mount right there. Just got to put that on. So one key. Super close to just calling this good. This is so annoying. Get in there. Go to your home. Let's see. Whatever. Call that good. Kind of crooked. We can definitely adjust that. That's what I'll be doing. That bracket needs adjustment for sure, but let's get it ripping.